Hello everyone, my name is Arun Yadav. Here I will explain about what is Docker. We can install Docker in any operating system, but Docker engine run in natively on Linux. It is right in a Go language. First question arises in my mind. Why we need a Docker? Suppose if we want to share a project to another person who have a different system with a different dependency, then we use Docker to share the project. As per definition, is an open source centralized platform designed to create, deploy and run application. It uses the container of the host operating system to run the application. Use the same Linux kernel as a system on the host computer rather than creating a whole virtual operating system. If I am talking about Docker architecture, it is divided into three parts: client, daemon and registry. In client section, user interact with daemon through API. In daemon section, daemon manage container and images. If we're talking about registry or Docker Hub, here we push or pull the images. I- Thank you. In next video, Maninder give you detailed overview of Docker engine with their implementation.